Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cronus Zen for Rainbow Six Siege. First, connect your Cronus Zen to your computer using the provided mini USB cable. Next, download and install the Zen Studio software, which is essential for configuration. Ensure your Cronus Zen's firmware is updated to the newest version for optimal performance. Finally, connect your gaming controller to the Cronus Zen using a micro USB cable, preparing it for gameplay. Now let's load a game pack. Open Zen Studio and head to the Programmer tab. You'll find a vast GPC library. Search for the Rainbow Six Siege game pack. Once located, simply drag and drop it onto one of the Cronus Zen's 9 available memory slots. After loading, take a moment to configure the game pack settings, such as anti-recoil and aim assist, to suit your personal play style. With your game pack loaded, connect your Cronus Zen to your console or PC. Use the Cronus Zen's OLED screen and buttons to select the specific game pack you wish to activate. It's crucial to adjust your in-game settings, like dead zones and sensitivity, to work harmoniously with the game pack. You can also fine-tune various game pack mods directly during gameplay using your controller and the Zen's intuitive menu system. For advanced users, experiment with various game pack versions and custom scripts to find what works best for you. If you encounter any input issues, the Cronus Zen's device monitor in Zen Studio is an invaluable troubleshooting tool. Always double-check that all your cables are securely connected to avoid unexpected disconnections during intense matches. Finally, consider joining the active Cronus Zen community forums for extra support and to discover shared scripts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.